Whitaker Marine North opened in 2002 as the northernmost division of Whitaker Boat Works, which started business in 1947. Over the years, the family expanded its operations until it became the go-to destination Treasure Coast boaters rely on for whatever they need to get back out on the water. Set a course for Whitaker Marine North, due west of the Fort Pierce Inlet, and you'll find Harbortown Marina that welcomes the transient boater with slips, storage, parts, provisions, and a newly remodeled restaurant. Whitaker Marine North offers dockside service, plus 50 and 150-ton travel lifts, and complete repair capability from bottom painting, engine repairs and installation, electrical repairs, air conditioning, refrigeration, sanitation repairs, marine electronics, gel coat, and fiberglass. For sailboats, we have a full-time rigger on staff. Whitaker Yacht Sales is our brokerage division, representing clients with 30-foot boats and above. For the serious and weekend boater alike, the name Whitaker is synonymous with Treasure Coast boating. What can we do for you? Stop by today.